Oh boy.
What's he doing? The girl?
Oh, ham. He's a little ham.
What's her name? Natalia. Oh, what? Natalia? Italian? Or Rose?
Sounds like Italian. She's not Italian.
They don't need Rose.
Ay, 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 ay,
What do you
ay.
call her, Italian? They call her Italian. Rose.
All these strange people making strange faces.
I got a box of candy, you won't share it?
Where did that come from?
Why wouldn't you share it, Dad? It's all friends here.
It came from a bucket's Greek from Athalia with the TH.
Well, it's all friends.
But in school they would say it all weird, so I dropped the H for Athalia.
Yeah, sure.
It means Greek goddess.
Oh, cool.
So,
Beautiful.
Claire,
Yeah.
is it a Greek goddess or a
that's what it means.
Oh my goodness sakes.
Glad I asked.
You have lots to say.
That's it.
You do.
She's not Greek.
Greek mythology.
And she lives in Mendocino. That's perfect. She's destined for big things.
Right? Oh.
Look at that
Roman
hair.
god. It's not a Greek god.
Huh? Got it.
Roman.
What?
That's a Roman god.
Well, the book
I
said
know.
Greek.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're very advanced, I think. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're very advanced. Yes, your verbal skills are wonderful.
Say thank you. Huh? Say thank you, Mama. Yeah, we talk all the time. Huh? We have long conversations. Yeah? Huh? All the time. Oh, I'm a princess.
Are you a princess? I think so.
For now.
I think so. She has a very, I don't know, all these kids just look so familiar. And I guess it makes sense, but
Family.
yeah.
The word. Good for me.
Right. Familial,
I'll
huh?
try to make a
Yeah.
DVD.
Yeah. I can't quite picture, I mean, can't quite
bought a bunch of these.
verbalize what
Did it.
it looks like. What her eye shape is not yours.
No, she has
Yeah.
Maybe I should
Yeah.
do that. That would be a
But the
great
nose.
gift. I'll give it to you.
Did you make a DVD?
Yeah.
Let's see whose mouth
Yeah.
you have. We'll
From
deconstruct.
what stuff you got?